Hello everyone, welcome to Foxwell's channel. Today, we're going to show you how to update your diagnostic tools. There are two main ways to update, using a USB cable or using Wi-Fi. Let's walk through both methods step by step. Before updating, make sure you know your product model. You can check it out on our official website. Let's start with the NT301 USB update. Step 1. Go to our website and download the update package. Step 2. Connect your NT301 to the computer with a USB cable. Step 3. Open the installed update tool and follow the on-screen instructions. Once the process is finished, your NT301 will be updated and ready to go. Now let's move on to the NT726 Wi-Fi update. First, make sure the device is connected to Wi-Fi. From the main menu, tap on Update. Here you can choose to update specific functions or simply select Update All. Wait for the process to complete, and your NT726 will be running the latest version. Keeping your tool updated ensures you always have the latest features and improved performance. If you need more help, visit our website for tutorials or contact Foxwell support anytime. Thanks for watching. See you next time.